Ya, bahu-bahu ya.
September marks the founding of Malaysian Federation in 1963. On this day, the Federation of Malaya, Borneo, Sabah, Sarawak, and Singapore joined together to form the new nation of Malaysia. This date marks the Federation's birth. Commemorate when the separate regions officially united into one country. The fusion of Malaysia, the leader brought Sabah and Sarawak on the island of Borneo into the Union alongside Peninsular states. Singapore later left the Federation in 1965. Delayed launch. Union was first planned for 31st August 1963. Was pushed to December allow more time for investigation and reviews in Sabah and Sarawak. National holiday status. It became an official nationwide public holiday in 2010 to give equal recognition to the formation of the country alongside Independence Day, Merdeka Day on 31st August. Thank you.